Hey guys, David here. Today I'm bored. Yeah. So today what I want to show you was tennis ball. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding.
What are you doing, Dave?
Making a video.
You on the phone?
No, I'm just making a video.
You what?
Making a video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry about that. Just my mom. I'm eating goldfish. Yeah.
Marjorie's so good.
So, just seeing. I'm asking you guys if I should make more figure animations. Should I? Or you post in the comments if I should. And the snacks that smiles back goldfish. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.